Yep, more Dell replacement parts. I'll show you why. It's from the Insprion here, 600M. Because it's missing the things in the standoff. So we have this problem. Okay, let's open it up. Oh yes. The flash shows off the metallic flake. See, they're all broken. Here's the old touchpad. How many times has that been pressed? Take a guess.
Please read this end-user license agreement. Begin BGB message. Wait, what the hell? Why is the whole gibberish? End BGB message. If you understand and accept these terms, click OK. Fine, I'll accept them and continue.